Of course, let's explore the next video content idea. Pi Network updates and news with clear and straightforward explanations for beginners. Hello, cryptocurrency enthusiasts, and welcome back to Staro Technology. Today, we're going to talk about something that keeps you in the loop: Pi Network updates and news. Don't worry if you're new to this, we'll break it down simply. Why updates matter. Updates are like getting the latest news about your favorite game or app. They can bring new features, improvements, and even exciting surprises. Staying up to date can help you make the most of Pi Network. Mainit Launch. One big update everyone is waiting for is the Mainit Launch. It's like moving from a test version to the real deal. When this happens, Pi Network will become even more awesome. Partnerships and events. Pi Network often teams up with other companies and hosts events. These partnerships and events can mean exciting things for Pi users. For example, they might offer special rewards or new opportunities. App updates. Just like your favorite apps on your phone get updates, so does the Pi Network app. These updates can bring bug fixes, better performance, and new features to make your experience smoother. Community news. Pi Network has a lively community of users worldwide. Sometimes, the community itself has news to share, like success stories, helpful tips, or cool ideas. It's like learning from friends who also use Pi. Where to find updates. Getting these updates and news is easy. You can visit Pi Network's official website or follow them on social media. That's where they share all the official and trustworthy information. To sum it up, Pi Network updates and news keep you in the know about exciting changes, partnerships, and community happenings. Stay tuned to their official sources for the real scoop. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more straightforward cryptocurrency updates. If you have questions about Pi Network or want us to explain anything else, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for being here, and remember to stay updated and happy mining.